customers. And because we're committed for the long haul, the credit lasts your full policy term. So thanks again. One good share.
We begin this morning with a contentious issue of whether to reopen the nation after so much of it has been closed down due to the coronavirus.
The lights may be on in New York, but businesses are still shut down.
There are calls for the city to do more to reach communities that are taking the brunt of the coronavirus pandemic.
Bronx is my home. I was born here. I was raised here. I work here, serve my community. My community's it's been hit hard. It breaks my heart to see my neighbors, my family. I have several family members that are COVID positive and quarantined at home.